Discover unparalleled comfort and convenience with our selection of the best electric comfort bikes. Engineered for ultimate relaxation and effortless rides, these bikes blend cutting-edge technology with ergonomic design, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable journey every time. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best electric comfort bikes you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Aventon Level 2 stands out as a top contender among comfort bikes, offering a blend of performance, features, and affordability that impresses both experts and everyday riders alike. Despite its budget-friendly pricing, the Level 2 delivers a remarkable riding experience. Testers have reported impressive results, with one 150-pound rider achieving an outstanding 66.8-mile range on PAS Level 1 during testing. The bike's 500-watt motor exhibits near-instant response, making climbs feel effortless, as noted by a 250-pound tester who praised its zippy hill climbing ability. Equipped with 2.1-inch tires, the Level 2 provides ample cushioning over rough terrain while maintaining a smooth ride on pavement. Its 8-speed Shimano Atzera drivetrain ensures reliable gear shifts, while the integrated battery and well-managed wearing add to its appeal. Safety features are also a highlight, with impressive stopping power and motor inhibition. Additionally, the bike offers customization options, including adjustable top speeds to comply with local regulations. Priced competitively at $1690, the Aventon Level 2 includes integrated lights, metal fenders, and a rear rack with a substantial weight capacity, making it a compelling choice for riders seeking comfort, performance, and value. Experience the ultimate comfort and power with the RadPower RadRover 6 Plus, crowned as the 4th best electric comfort bike. This sleek ride boasts a robust 750-watt hub-driven motor, delivering 15% more torque compared to its predecessor, the RadRover 5. Glide effortlessly on its Kenda Juggernaut 26 by 4-inch tires, providing unparalleled traction and stability on any terrain. Equipped with an adjustable 2.3-inch suspension fork, the RadRover 6 ensures a smooth journey even on rough roads. Its twist throttle allows for independent operation, offering convenient control over acceleration. Tackle steep inclines with ease thanks to the 7-speed drivetrain providing ample gear range. The RadRover 6's streamlined design houses a low-profile battery and concealed controller box, maintaining a sleek appearance. Integrated front and rear lights enhance visibility, while hydraulic brakes ensure powerful, effortless stopping. Plus, with its fat-ass fenders, you'll stay clean and dry even in adverse conditions. Assembly is a breeze for owners, with many praising the RadRover 6's ease of setup. Backed by a generous 1-year warranty, ride confidently knowing you're covered. Priced at $1690, the RadRover 6 offers unbeatable comfort, performance, and value. The Specialized Roll emerges as the epitome of comfort and versatility among cyclists, earning its position as the top choice in electric comfort bikes. Riders extol its comfort, particularly over long distances, owing to its ergonomic design and upright seating position. Its low-entry models cater to riders of all abilities, ensuring easy mount and dismount. Reviewers commend its adeptness in handling various terrains, from roads to gentle gravel, thanks to its nimble geometry and specialized tires. The Roll's features cater to both beginners and seasoned cyclists alike, with models like the Roll 3.0 boasting a suspension seat post for enhanced comfort and reliable components like Tektro hydraulic brakes and micro-shift drivetrain. It ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride. Moreover, its affordability, starting at a modest $700, makes it an accessible option without compromising on quality. Its appeal extends beyond functionality, with a range of vibrant color options and a minimalist aesthetic garnering admiration from owners and onlookers alike. Available in multiple sizes to accommodate a wide range of riders and equipped with reflective paintwork for increased visibility, the Roll truly encompasses both style and substance. The Avon Aventure, ranked as the second best electric comfort bike, is a compelling choice for riders seeking a blend of power, versatility, and comfort. Its robust 750-watt motor, peaking at 1130 watts, ensures consistent power delivery, particularly evident when conquering steep inclines. Crafted with a sleek hydroformed aluminum frame, the Aventure boasts fat 4-inch tires that enhance its adaptability across various terrains. Reaching speeds of 20 miles per hour through throttle only and 28 miles per hour with pedal assist, the Aventure caters to diverse riding preferences. Available in 3 colors and sizes, accommodating riders from 5'1" to 6'4", its color display provides essential ride metrics, while Aventon's app offers detailed ride statistics and configurations. Testers praise the Aventure's stability at speed, aided by its integrated lights, full fenders, and plush Velo saddle, promoting comfort and visibility. The Shimano Axera 8-speed drivetrain offers ample range, complemented by Bengal Aries 3 hydraulic disc brakes for confident braking. Despite its price tag of $1,290 above budget options, reviewers deem the Aventure a worthwhile investment, citing its blend of performance, comfort, and value as compelling reasons for consideration. Say hello to the Ride Oneup 700 series, acclaimed as the foremost choice in electric comfort bikes, earning the prestigious title of #1 Best Comfort Bike. This exceptional model is endorsed by experts who laud its unmatched value proposition, emphasizing its superior performance for the price. Testers have marveled at the 700 series' exceptional handling, praising its seamless and stable ride experience. Equipped with a formidable 720 watt-hour battery, this bike boasts an impressive 50-mile range, ensuring extensive adventures without compromise. Moreover, it features integrated front and rear lights, alloy fenders, and a robust rear rack capable of carrying up to 50 pounds of cargo, catering to diverse riding needs. Designed for optimum comfort, the 700 series incorporates a Mozo suspension fork with 3.9 inches of travel and a lockout mechanism, ensuring a smooth journey on various terrains. As a Class 3 e-bike, it offers a thrilling top speed of 28 miles per hour under pedal assist, delivering exhilarating rides. Priced competitively at $1,595. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.